Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? Hope all of you are fine. Today we are going to start our lecture Oxford Broadway Grade 2. And now open your book in page number 47 and we will start with the poem Who Has Seen the Wind? If you cannot see the wind, how do you know it is there? Who has seen the wind? Neither I nor you. But when the leaves hang trembling, the wind is passing through. Who has seen the wind? Neither you nor I. But when the trees bow down their heads, the wind is passing by. Who wrote this poem? Christina Rossetti. And now in this poem, the poetess want to describe that want to speak of her feelings about the power of the wind. That she says, no anyone else can see the wind, but we can see the leaves trembling, which tell us that the wind is passing by. Again, when we see the trees and bowing their heads, we know that the wind is blowing, and we can we cannot see the wind, but we can be seen and felt it. इसमें जो पोइट्स है क्रिस्टीना रोसेटी वो बताना चाह रही है कि जब वो कैसा फील कर रही है विंड के बारे में। वो बता रही है कि कोई भी जो है विंड को फील नहीं करता तो कोई भी इसको देख नहीं सकता, बट हम देख सकते हैं कि जब भी हवा चलती है तो जो लीव्स हैं वो ट्रेम्बल करते हैं और नीचे गिर जाते हैं, और उसकी वजह से जो दरख्त हैं वो ब्लो करते हैं, उनके अंदर झुकाव आता है जब हवा चलती है। हम हवा को महसूस तो कर सकते हैं, बट वी कैन नॉट सी द एयर, उसको देख नहीं सकते कि वो किस तरफ को चल रही है और किस तरह से चल रही है। Now come to the next page, page number 48. Learn to enjoy the poem. Question 1 is कि has anyone seen the wind? क्या कोई भी जो है वो wind को देख सकता है? No, anyone cannot see the wind. We just only can feel it. Question number 2 is complete this sentence. You know that the wind is passing by when? हमें पता चलता है कि जो wind हमारे पास से गुजरी है, बट कैसे, कब गुजरी है? When the trees bow and when the leaves tremble. Now come to the next activity. List 3 other ways of knowing when the wind is passing by. For example, when piece of paper on the playground start flying. हमें कैसे पता चलता है? हमें 3 तरीके बताने हैं, 3 ways बताने हैं कि विंड जो है कैसे हमारे पास से गुजर के गई है, हमें कैसे महसूस होता है कि विंड चली है। Now one is कि when the leaves hang trembling, and the 2 is when the trees bow, when the shopping bags are blowing. जब भी दरख्तों के पत्ते ट्रैम्बल करते हैं, शेक करते हैं, हमें महसूस होता है कि जो हवा है वो चल रही है। When the trees bow, जब दरख्त झुकते हैं किसी भी डायरेक्शन में तो हमें पता चलता है कि जो हवा का रुख है वो इस डायरेक्शन में है। And when the shopping bags are blowing, जब भी जो शॉपिंग बैग्स होते हैं ग्राउंड पे वो जब उड़ रहे होते हैं तो उस समय फील होता है कि now the wind was blowing. Now students, come to English workbook grade 2 and open your page number 57. Now we are going to learn how to make a milkshake. You will need sugar, banana and milk, and there are 5 steps how to make a milkshake. Step 1, peel off the banana, put the banana in the blender, add milk and sugar, switch on the blender and mix them well. Now milkshake is ready when put it in the glass. Now students, come to the next page number 58, and there is guided writing Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, and there are many helping verbs. Abdullah, Amna, Quraysh tribe, called, Sadiq and Amin, prophethood, 40, Quran revealed, was kind to poor, forgive to enemies, loving to children and animals, faced hardship for the spread of Islam. The notes of this topic will be provided to you. Now students, come to the next page number 69, and we will start with the comprehension. The farmer. Bashir is a farmer. He plows the field. He grows crops. He is not a very old man. He is strong and healthy. He has a daughter and a son. He gets up in the morning. He goes to the mosque and says his prayers. He comes back and takes his breakfast, and he goes to the field. He starts his work in the morning. His wife brings his lunch at noon. His sons start his work. His son is a student. He is in the class 4. His daughter is in the class 3. His son helps him. He joins him after the school, and they work together. They eat their lunch together, and they take rest after lunch. They go home in the evening. Now in this comprehension, we will describe about the farmer and his son, that बशीर द फार्मर, बशीर एक फार्मर है, वो खेती बाड़ी करता है और वो ही ग्रो क्रॉप्स एंड वो कोई ज़्यादा बुरा शख्स नहीं है. ही इज़ स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड हेल्दी, वो हेल्दी है और स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड ही हैज़ अ डॉटर एंड सन, उसके एक बेटा है और एक बेटी है. एंड वो सुबह सवेरे उठता है एंड गोज़ टू मॉस्क, वो जाता है मस्जिद नमाज पढ़ता है. एंड ही कम बैक एट टेक हिज ब्रेकफास्ट, जब वापस आता है तो फिर अपना वो ब्रेकफास्ट करता है. एंड ही गोज़ टू द फील्ड, देन ही गोज़ टू हिज फील्ड एंड ही स्टार्ट हिज वर्क इन द मॉर्निंग. वो सुबह सवेरे अपना काम शुरू करता है. एंड हिज वाइफ ब्रिंग हिज लंच एट नून, और उसकी जो वाइफ है वो उसको दोपहर में उसका खाना जो उसके खेतों में पहुंचाती है. एंड हिज सन इज़ अ स्टूडेंट, जो उसका जो बेटा है वो एक तालिब इल्म है. ही इज़ इन क्लास 4, वो क्लास 4 में पढ़ता है. हिज डॉटर इज़ इन द क्लास 3, और उसकी जो बेटी है वो क्लास 3 में है. एंड हिज सन हेल्प हिम, और उसका बेटा वो उसके हेल्प करता है उसके हर काम में, और वो इकट्ठे काम करते हैं. और ईट देयर लंच टुगेदर, अपना वो खाना इकट्ठा खाते हैं. दे टेक रेस्ट आफ्टर लंच, वो खाने के बाद थोड़ी देर आराम करते हैं. दे गो होम इन द इवनिंग, और शाम में फिर घर जाते हैं. नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट के रीड द पैसेज एंड सर्कल द करेक्ट आंसर. व्हाट डज बशीर डू, बशीर क्या करता है? ऑप्शन 1 टीचेस इन द स्कूल, मेंट्स शूज, hunts the animal, work in the field. The correct answer is to work in the field. Bashir, what does Bashir do? Bashir work in the field. Now come to the next. Bashir is not a very dash man, and the option is young, big, old, brave. And Bashir is not a very old man. Now come to the next. He start his work in the dash late morning, evening, afternoon, morning. He start his work in the morning. Come to the next. His son reads in class dash 2, 3, 4, 5. His son reads in class 4. And the 5 is what adjectives can be used for farmer instead of healthy. हम कौन सा एडजेक्टिव यूज़ कर सकते हैं फार्मर के लिए कि वो हेल्दी, नहीं तो वो क्या होगा? लेजी, इम्पॉर्टेंट, एक्टिव एंड बिग. एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज एक्टिव. आंसर क्वेश्चंस. डू यू थिंक फार्मर सन इज अ गुड बॉय एंड वाई? क्या आपको लगता है कि जो फार्मर का जो बेटा है वो एक अच्छा लड़का है, और अगर है तो क्यों है? एंड द आंसर इज कि येस, फार्मर सन इज अ गुड बॉय बिकॉज हिज सन हेल्प्स हिम इन द फील्ड. उसका जो बेटा है वो एक अच्छा लड़का है क्योंकि वो अपने फादर की मदद करता है उसके खेतों में, उसके हर काम में. एंड नाउ द नेक्स्ट. डू यू हेल्प योर पेरेंट्स हाउ? क्या आप अपने पेरेंट्स की हेल्प करते हैं तो कैसे? देन डोंट डू इट बाय योर सेल्फ. कम टू द नेक्स्ट पेज नंबर 70. एंड द क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. राइट योर गुड हैबिट्स एनी टू. आपने अपनी कोई 2 हैबिट्स के बारे में बताना है कि आपकी कौन 2 गुड हैबिट्स हैं, एंड राइट देम. नाउ डू इट बाय योर सेल्फ. एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 इज के राइट द मीनिंग ऑफ प्लो. आपने बताना है कि प्लो का मीनिंग क्या होता है. द मीनिंग ऑफ प्लो इज कल्टिवेट, मीन्स कि खेती बाड़ी करना, काश्तकारी करना. व्हाट इज द मेन आइडिया ऑफ द पैसेज? द मेन आइडिया ऑफ द पैसेज इज कि वी डू हार्ड वर्क एंड हेल्प यूजर, कि हमें हमेशा मेहनत करनी चाहिए और दूसरे की मदद करनी चाहिए. Now come to the question number 6. Complete form of verb. There are 3 words: grow, go, and eat. You have to write the past participle, and the present participle. The first word is grow, and the past word is grew, and the past participle is grown, and the present participle is growing. Come to the next. Go, and the form of verb of go is went. In the past participle you have to write gone, and the present participle you have to write going. And come to the next. Eat. The past form of eat is ate. The past participle form of eat is eaten, and the present participle form of eat is eating. Now come to the next page number 57, and question number 7. What is the difference between a hard working and a lazy person? के डिफरेंस क्या होता है एक हार्ड वर्किंग पर्सन और एक लेजी पर्सन में? हार्ड वर्किंग पर्सन टेक्स योर वर्क सीरियसली. जो हार्ड वर्किंग पर्सन होता है वो अपना काम मेहनत से करता है, और जो लेजी पर्सन होता है, जो सुस्त इंसान होता है, वो अपना काम जो होता है वो अनविलिंग टू डू वर्क, उसका दिल नहीं करता कि वो कोई भी काम करे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 इज के राइट द करेक्ट चॉइस. आपने पास डिफरेंट ऑप्शन हैं एंड दे आर, आप बताना है कि मतलब कौन सा जो ऑप्शन है वो बिल्कुल ठीक है. दे डैश द फील्ड टुगेदर. ऑप्शन इज प्लोड, प्लोइंग, प्लो. They plowed the field together. His son dash him. His son help him. Helps him. Helping. His son helps him. She dash lunch for him. She brings lunch for him. She brought lunch for him, and she bringing lunch for him. Now the correct option is brings. She brings lunch for him. They dash rest after lunch. They take after lunch. They take rest after lunch. They took rest after lunch, and they taking rest after lunch. Now the correct option is they take rest after lunch. And then now in the last, he dash is working in the morning. He is starting He's working in the morning. His work in the morning. He starts his work in the morning. He's started his work in the morning. And the correct option is he start his works in the morning. Question number 9. In the following bubble, circle the word that does not show the quality of a good person and write definition. If you have 3 words, hardworking, greedy, and responsible, you have to circle the word that show the bad quality of the, and the greed is the word that show the quality of a good person. That does not show the quality of a good person. Now the meaning of the greed is selfish, desire for something, especially wealth. Now come to the next page, page number 8. The poem Who Has Seen the Wind. Question number 1 is what words did the poetess use to prove that the wind is blowing? Use the picture clues to remember it. There are 2 pictures and to write upon the picture. What does the picture show? When trees blow, and the other picture is when leaves hang trembling. Question number 2 is what do you see when the winds blow? आप क्या देखते हैं जब wind blow करती है? For example, I see the cloud moving. Now come to the next. I see dash. What does you see? I see clouds flying. I see leaf falling down. I see shopping bags are blowing. And the next is what can wind do? Wind क्या करती है? Fill in the blank from your experience. आपने अपना experience share करना है कि according to the wind क्या करती है. आपने according to the point आपने आप बताना है. Wind can blow a dash. Wind can blow a shopping bags. Wind can fly up birds. Wind can shake a trees. Wind can make leaves go faster. I can hear the wind when dash. I can hear the wind when it blows strongly. I can feel a wind when it blows. Now come to the next page, page number 9. And summary. Complete a summary of the poem using word from the helping box. The poem Who Has Seen the Wind is written by Kristen Rossetti. In this poem, the poetess speaks of her feelings about the power of the wind. She says that neither she nor anyone else has ever seen the wind, but we do see the leaves trembling, which tell us that the wind is passing by. Again, when we see the trees bowing their heads, we know that the wind is blowing. Wind cannot be seen, but its effects can be seen and felt. Now come to the next page, page number 46, and compound words. Compound words are those words when 2 words are used together to form a new meanings. जब भी हम 2 अल्फाज को मिलाते हैं तो उससे एक नया वर्ड बनता है, उसको हम बोलते हैं compound words. For example, air plus port means airport. Some new words can be formed by joining the 2 words. Make compound words looking at the picture. You have given many pictures. You have to write the word or the according to the picture and to combine them to form a new word. Sun plus flower, sunflower. Rain plus bow, rainbow. Snow plus man, snowman. Now the first part of each word has been written as second. Write the correct word. Ball, basket. आपके पास डिफरेंट वर्ड दिए गए हैं और इसमें जो फर्स्ट वर्ड है उसको सेकंड पर रखा गया है, जो सेकंड वर्ड है उसको फर्स्ट रखा गया है. नाउ यू टू अरेंज द वर्ड्स. बॉल बास्केट, बास्केटबॉल. पूल स्विमिंग, स्विमिंग पूल. क्रीम आइस, आइसक्रीम. रूम बेड, बेडरूम. Now come to the next page, page number 47. And the compound words, make the words in column A with the words in the column B to make new words. There are 2 columns, column A and column B. You need to match the word from the column A to column B to form a new word. First word is butter, and to find out the word, which word is correct, and to make a new word. Butter, fly, butterfly. Fire, man. Tooth, brush. Foot, ball. Camp, fire. Bed, room. Light, house. Rain, raincoat. Watch, man. See, shelf. Now come to the next. Fill in the blank with some of the new words from above. आपके पास जो ऊपर वर्ड्स दिए गए हैं, जो न्यू वर्ड्स हैं, आप उनको देख के अपने जो अंडरलाइन फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स उनको फिल कर सकते हैं. द डैश पुट आउट फायर, द फायरमैन पुट आउट फायर. Look at the flower, the dash on it looks so beautiful. Look at the flower, the butterfly on it looks so beautiful. I sleep in my dash, I sleep in my bedroom. Come Aslam, let's play dash. Come Aslam, let's play football. It's raining, wear a dash. It's raining, wear a raincoat. Now come to the next page. Page number 48. Compound words. Join a word in list A to a word in list B to make a compound noun. A in the list E, we have many words: tool, book, door, hand, news. In the list B, case, bag, box, paper, and bell. We have to join these words: tool, box, book, case, door, bell, hand, bag, news, paper. Now come to the next. Look at each picture and use a word from the box to make a compound noun. And there are many words shown in the box. And there are pictures on the front. Dash snow, snow dash. So try the word snowman. Eyes, eyebrows. Dust bin, rain drops. Tea pot, football. Okay, it's all for today's lecture. You have to complete your work and do the reading of the poem. Till then, Allah Hafiz, and complete your work.